We've come to Old Bombay and we're going to check out some of these old school bars.
Chakli and Shezwan is a solid 6.5 to 7 on 10 for me.
सारी खा ली हैं.
Sweetest. This is also sweet as.
अगला बार जो है उसका नाम है फाउंटेन इन. दादा कोई आसपास यहाँ कोई बार बताओ ना.
We were walking and we saw this place. It's no Cambo. Akshay Kumar.
I feel like this is a spot I could drop by.
So today we're in another very iconic South Bombay neighborhood called Fort. Just a 10-minute walk from Churchgate Station, Fort is a cultural hotspot known for its stunning Gothic architecture, buzzing art galleries in the Kala Ghoda Arts District, and some gorgeous fucking cafes. And as a man of culture, the way to really appreciate all the art and culture around us, we want to start with some drinks. What's happening?
It's a Tuesday afternoon, huh? You know what they say?
What do they say?
Don't
Yeah, we've come to Old Bombay and we're going to check out some of these old school bars.
Okay.
There's a little bit of a catch.
What?
We don't have permission, so that we might wing it. It'll be a little bit of a guerrilla gun and run situation.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
We're ready for it. Are you ready for it? All right.
अच्छी जगह क्या है?
Okay, तो हम लोग ने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया
अच्छा.
कि जैसे अपने बैंड्रा में
मैं यही तो कर रही है वो.
We're doing a dive bar episode. We have 2 dive bars planned. This is one, Amrapali Family Restaurant and Bar. Let's just quickly see how much a beer is for. That'll give us
An idea.
an idea of how well it's priced. 340. Okay. It seems very reasonable for a bar. Big one. Sure. Big one. Should we get a picture?
No.
No.
Don't. What's a dragon soup, भाई? भाई dragon. ये chicken dragon soup क्या है? पर chicken ही है. Dragon तो नहीं है.
Chakli and Shezwan is a solid 6.5 to 7 on 10 for me.
सारी खा ली हैं.
It's actually less divey as compared to some of the other dive bars that we've been to.
It's very homely.
I don't need when I'm drinking.
What do you mean?
दो बाइट अंडे के खा के कह रहा है.
Mojito.
But it's not supposed to be green.
Sweetest.
This is also sweet as. Pineapple juice, orange juice, fresh lime juice, and dark rum, which I'm assuming is Old Monk. Bacardi, mint, lime juice, and soda. Classic mojito.
It's like मधुमक्खी की गांड चाट रहा हूँ मैं.
वो तेरी तो बहुत sweet है भाई. तेरी तो बहुत.
Drama नहीं कर रहा था bro. It's true. We did the wrong thing by ordering what we ordered. We admit it.
Yeah.
It takes a big man to admit. So we are big men.
Okay, do you want another beer?
या इसको तो खत्म नहीं करता.
नहीं कर रहा मैं.
इसको पैक करा ले भाई.
ये खोलेगा?
Sometimes Babi the mayor is not there.
Yeah, come on. But
Yeah.
don't care. We don't need to eat anywhere else, brother.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? How do we finish this? Pak. ये क्या है? सेवइयां क्या है ये?
अच्छा कचुम्बर.
ककड़ी होती है. खीरा होता है.
Actually, kakadi.
मुन्नी तो शीतल है. शीतल मुन्नी नहीं ना.
It's tender, it's well cooked, it's soft. I do always appreciate a little bit of cheese in anything. Oh wow, they've got the story on the back,
You have to
man.
read it. And on 500 piece, Amrapali was given a name. Was declared the most beautiful girl at the age of 11.
Okay, but who the fuck is declaring girls beautiful at the age of 11? Oh, some aunties are here. I love the vibe. Not, no.
After so many days, I'm fucking bored.
And you can't leave it in the third act. Like, this is so fucking annoying.
She does this deed to save her soul from the sin it attained by denying the true.
What? They ended it mid-sentence by denying the true what?
I would say less than 2,000 bucks.
25?
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to say 2150.
Oh shit. Close.
Bro, I swear to God, this is the best thing that's happened in... Bro, this has never happened
This
to me.
has made me so happy. Nimbu pani just before you leave. Beautiful, yeah.
अरे वाह भाई क्या है जा रहे हैं
हमें बोला यार ड्रिंक खत्म नहीं हो रही है हमसे. आप प्लीज पार्सल कर दो.
अगला बार जो है उसका नाम है फाउंटेन इन. डाल ले मैप में जरा.
वो गेस्ट से करवा रहे हैं नेविगेशन. 4 मिनट.
Let's walk it up. This is the spot. अच्छा भाई कोट लिखा है.
I'm not an alcoholic. I only drink 2 times a year. On May birthday. And when it's not my birthday.
Kingfisher का बड़ा बॉटल 350 रुपए का है. Very fairly priced यार.
Yeah.
ये क्वार्टर बार. ऊपर पैक सिस्टम. तो एक क्वार्टर जेंसन का.
Water drink.
एक
Very good.
क्वार्टर भी तो आना चाहिए भाई. क्वार्टर बार में आए हैं. The Szechuan and Chakli, I'm not a fan of here.
Yeah, I didn't like it.
Yeah. Cheers, lads.
Cheers, bro.
We've chosen unknowingly, of course.
Wow.
Dive bars for older people.
We're becoming what we want to. The high is gone. Let's just chug our drinks.
Okay, done.
जग don't care, bro. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ रहा है यार. बस भाई. This looks like it's prawn covered in halim.
Okay.
It's good, but the prawns are overdone.
जो इतना डुबो के लाए मक्खन में.
That's because they're hiding it. It's not bad. But it's not good.
It's not bad. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? If I'd had another drink.
It's too salty. You know, I like them salty bitches. Here, try some.
ये चिड़िया है. Comments में बताइए ये क्या लग रहा है आपको. ये क्या है?
Give that to me.
ये देखिए.
He has been deflowered. I told you let's not chug that drink, yeah. Now I can't remember what we ordered. Let's just chug our drinks.
Okay, done. Bro, it's all on camera, so you can't even.
Thumbs up should come up with a diet thumbs up.
Bro, I swear to God, I have been saying this. It is a great drink,
I'll
right?
tell you why there's no diet thumbs up.
Why?
Because thumbs up don't care.
Damn, bro, there's only oldies in this place, man. The decor is also. Just look at the guys. Look at who the guys are on the decor, right? ये क्या है sir? Rabas. Okay.
It's not too hot, is it?
The masala is kind of nice. I'm not actually very. I don't know what a rabas is supposed to be like.
You're like a shadi photographer.
Fisher, but it is the masala is very chicken.
So you just do 3 smalls then instead of
Yeah,
one.
that's what I'm thinking. Next place we can go.
Can we guess the bill?
I'm gonna say a quick 3,000.
Yeah, I was also going to say that. So now I have to say something different. So
Yeah.
I'll say 3,200.
Okay.
28.
28.
Bitches.
What is it?
3196.
Oh damn, bro. Bro, this rabas situation is kind of expensive,
much is
dude. 810.
Not worth it.
This is what we're looking for, brother. It's called El Professor Lounge. दादा कोई आसपास यहाँ कोई बार बताओ ना.
Pratap.
Hanish Family Restaurant and Bar. Okay.
We were walking and we saw this place. What is it called? Mogambo?
Mogambo?
It's Mocambo.
खुश हुआ.
So I guess Mocambo it is. Is it a good place? This is not a dive bar. We entered this place called Mocambo
Cafe.
Cafe and we thought it's going to be a dive bar, but it's not.
Okay, brother. I know what's
So
happening.
basically
Okay.
we messed up.
Since we're at a slightly fancier place, they've got cocktails on the menu.
Which even our first place had. Yeah?
There's essentially 3 cocktails that I think we should just get.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
There's Drunken Smile, Sunset Blush,
Blush. Sunset Blush. Sunset Blush. Sunset Blush okay.
Sunset Blush, and then there is Dark Night. Although, if there are so many celebrities, brother, who've come here and signed on the walls, maybe it's a place, you know?
Akshay Kumar. Ninad Kamath has come. He's Nikhil Kamath's brother. This is Aditya Roy Kapoor. Siddharth Roy Kapoor's brother. This is Rajesh Khera. Vikram Khera's brother.
Drunken Smile, Dark Night.
I like how you took it away. As if it's
Sunset Blush.
Sunset Blush.
Sunset Blush.
What Shivam likes to call Sunset Blush.
All of us come for a little. Is this
Disgusting behavior. Disgusting. That's not bad. It's too sweet.
ये white wine है, ये red wine है, ये beer है. They're all kind of sugary, but I don't mind.
Which one did you like the most?
सारी पी लो भाई, ऐसा क्या है? Like what's up with these?
It's cute, endearing. I like it. This is the only place also that we've entered that has faint music.
Oh, they just started playing firstly. ताज़ा है भाई ये.
Fresh as fuck.
Yeah, brother.
FAF.
There's a lot of tomato, man.
शादी का फोटोग्राफर ले लिया तुमने यार। मुंह में घुस रहा है जब भी कुछ खाता हूँ मैं।
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I feel like this is a spot I could drop by.
Yeah.
Seems like a sweet place. So can I get the menu, please? I just want to compare the rates.
I feel like you mumbled that to yourself. Sir, can I get the menu, please? I want to compare the rates. हाँ सर, सर सुनो ना, यहाँ सर्विस चार्ज करते हो क्या आप? कितने साल से काम कर रहे हो आप?
Big Kingfisher is for $4.10. There's one drink cocktail that we haven't tried.
Won't do red wine. Most want noise.
Okay. Okay, let's competition. Okay.
फिर पुस.
Ah.
You've really filled your beer up like your bladder. 2.7.
2800? मैं देख चुका तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. 2600, brother. Manik, you've done it twice, man. This one, this word. नहीं पास की मांगी चूत भाई. हटा यहाँ से.
आप बताओ आपका नाम क्या? विल गिव यू अ शाउट आउट. आपका नाम क्या? आपके चैनल का नाम क्या?
मेरा देवेंद्र कॉमेडी वीडियो।
देवेंद्र कॉमेडी वीडियो 2. भाई का चैनल देखो, हमारा भी चैनल देखो. Give us some views, give भाई some views. Thank you. Good night. But drink responsibly. You're a doctor, so you know that that's not the way to go. Cheers, man.
पूरे बाबे दिया हमने.
That don't care. We're going to start with Amrapali. Yeah.
It was a good place.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Even though the smell of Fountain Inn was better because it smelled like fish.
Okay.
Nice,
Okay.
well-cooked fish.
Okay.
But the dishes were disappointing.
Yeah, they were.
There was halim and prawn in one dish. Pissed me off.
And if you were to rate them, rank them in
If I
order.
had to visit these places again,
Yeah.
I'd definitely first go to Amrapali again.
Yeah.
Then I'd go to Mocambo maybe.
Yeah. Overall, Amrapali is definitely the top for me. These are sort of uncle dive bars. They're not essentially maybe young people vibes.
I love
Honestly,
uncles there.
I also, I'm on to aunties. Fountain Inn I thought was it was nice, but okay. Mocambo was a pleasant surprise.
Yeah,
I
it
would
was.
say.
It was.
You know,
We stumbled upon it.
we stumbled upon it, and so did Aditya Roy Kapoor. The only downside I will have to say about Mocambo was the bathroom wasn't as great.
Yeah, it also smelled like piss.
That's what. I don't want my bathroom to smell like piss.
Yeah, even though I piss in a bathroom.
Put a couple of O'Neills.
Yeah.
Put a couple of Godrej air pockets.
Piping wasn't up to the mark.
Yeah.
Him and uncles, you know,
Yeah.
discuss piping.
ये भारत है
Bharat hai.
आता हूँ हाँ जरा एक कस्टमर
So, हाँ,
Okay,
जाओ,
okay.
जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात
Nice meeting you, uncle.
नहीं. You did get along with an uncle.
Well, I always get along with uncles, brother. That's how it is. On that note, I'm gonna say quickly for me.
Babe diya mere.
But don't care. Stay and so work. Love you. Good night.
Don't care, baby, just don't care.